sa mga artista at publiko. Her words shape conversations, her stories build trust, and her decades of professionalism help strengthen the entire industry. A respected voice, a mentor, and a true pillar of entertainment journalism. It is our honor to present Ethel Ramos, Dean's Lister Lifetime Achievement Award to Miss Cristina Llorente.
Presenting the trophy is Miss Mara Ramos, the lovely niece of the late Ethel Ramos, together with PNP's members and officers.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ako'y papasalamat ng puso sa award na ito na galing sa PNP sa Awards. Maraming salamat